Okay, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a relieved cutting tool in TopTool. Start by going to Description, Catalogs, Workshop Components. Here you're going to go to Database from Missler. Now go to Catalogs, Tools, and for example in this case we'll go do a ball mill. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new one, but I'm going to start by saying, you know what, it's a 4-flute standard length, and yeah, I'm just going to add a new one. And I'm going to call this a 0.500 inch relieved ball and mill. Okay, so the tool diameter I'm going to say is 0.5. The cutting length I'm going to say is 1 1/8. And now my Z-length to program, this is the default value that sticks out of your holder, and this is the maximum it can stick out of your holder. So here, actually I'm going to make this a little less. I'm actually going to make this 5/8. So here I'm going to say that it's 750 all the way up to, I'm going to say 1 inch 750. Why not? Maximum pocket depth is 1 inch 750. Pocket diameter, so minimum pocket diameter, this is going to be 1/2 inch. It's carbide, it's monoblock. Tool directions right hand, it's 4 teeth. And then the hold link, this is how it relates to holders. That's this value back here. I'm going to say that this is going to be 3/8 because we're going to have a relieved neck on this thing anyway. Tool shank diameter, I'm going to say is 3/8. I'm going to go down one more here, or a couple more actually, and go to tool neck. And here you have a straight neck, which is 0, a pencil neck, which is 1, and a neck like that, which is 2. Pardon me. I'm going to hit 2. And the tool shank length there, I'm going to say is, we'll say 2.5 all day. 2.75, so it gives us an inch of relief there. And we'll say it's 3.75, why not? Okay. Now we're going to hit Add. So we have our 1/2 inch relieved ball end mill. And say OK. Quit, and I'm going to go link that. And in this example, I'm going to link it into an HSK type of holder. So we'll go down to ball nose mill, volcanic, there we go. I'm going to start by selecting my machine first, DMU70 Evo, why not? And I'm just going to hit, let's go 4-flute standard, and I'm going to hit add. Oops, that didn't come up as 4-flute standard, so let's change that. I'm going to delete this. The important thing here is it says mill HSK 63, and for end mills and ball nose that you have the right number of flutes here, so you can use that filter. Remove all that, and now I'm going to go find my 1/2 inch. So I'm going to go do a search for 0.5, and there's my 1/2 inch relieved ball end mill. I'm going to add again. And this holder here is a custom holder that I created and showed you how to create in another tutorial. So we're going to use that just for fun. And I'm going to say add, and we have our 1/2 inch relieved ball end mill. I'm going to hit close, go into here, and let's go add this and see what it looks like. So let's scroll down to ball nose mill. Let's do a search for 1/2 inch. There it is. And now you can see the relief there. If you want, you can go to definition, stick it out further. We're going to say 2.5. Say OK. And now, like that, you have a relieved cutter.